Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mansoor75. I am Mansoor and you are watching Mansoor75. Today I will show you that how to download free softwares and update to version softwares. It is very difficult to search for update to version software and also difficult to download free softwares, but today I will show you a website. From that website you will get the updated version softwares. So let's start, but first I am requesting you, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start. Let's go to our Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome and search here google.com and then search here FileHippo. This is the FileHippo. This is the interface of the FileHippo website. There are a lot of softwares that are in updated version. So search for your desired software. I am trying to download Typing Master, and I need also Typing Master, so I search for it. Typing Master. So here is Typing Master. A lot of Typing Master are here. I download the first one. Click on this download. Now click on this button, download latest version. Here the Typing Master is ready for downloading, so I click on start download. It will take some time, so wait for it. I am requesting you, please like the videos and share with your friends and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. From this website you can download any softwares and update to version. So thanks for watching. The downloading is going to finish. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Thank you so much. The downloading is now completing.